Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to remove a water stain out of a coffee table. Okay, so in this video we're going to look at removing a water stain out of a recycled Remu coffee table. Now you can see here, this is a outline here of the watermark itself. Now this is a result of somebody ironing on this table.
Oh, sorry sir, I thought it is an ironing board.
So what's happened is the iron had its steam setting on. The heat has allowed the clear coat to soften. The moisture has gone through the clear coat, and as this clear coat hardens again, the moisture is trapped under that clear coat. Okay, we'll make a start. We'll just grab some tools. So we'll need one heat gun. Let's get this heat gun ready to go. Just get it out. Now the attachment I'll use is this one, and I'm just going to have it set at about halfway just to begin with, and we can up that temperature as we go along if needed. Now before I use the heat gun, I'm just going to give this table a wipe down just with a damp microfiber cloth, and we'll just let that dry. Okay, we'll make a start. Okay, I notice there's a little spot here too, so we'll get the heat gun on that. Cool, as you can see that spot's just disappeared, so now we'll work away at the rest of this mark. Right, I've just changed the angle of the table just to try and get a bit of reflection from the lights off this table. But you can see here, we're about halfway through. We've just got this remaining area here to go. So we're making good progress, and that heat gun seems to be working. Okay, so we've just got a very slight watermark here, so it's made a huge difference. So basically the stain is gone, but there's just a little bit of a outline of it here. Now I don't know how well you can see that in the camera because there's a lot of reflection from the light on this table, but I'm just going to give it another work around there, and that'll probably be it. Okay, we're slowly getting there. Now you're not going to probably see this on camera just because of the reflection, but there's just a very slight haze of the mark just in this area here. I'm just going to give it another quick once over, and that's pretty much done, I think. Okay guys, this is the result after using the heat gun. Now that's probably taken me about an hour. So what I'm going to do is just wait for this table to cool down and then apply some wood oil to it. So we'll make a start just getting this table polished up, and then that'll be a job done. So just apply it to the rag and then just wipe it in. And the last step's just turn the rag inside out and just give the polish a bit of a buff up. That'll just get rid of any of the excess polishing oil, and then the job is done. Okay guys, that's a wrap. That's the end of another video. Happy to say that this water stain is completely gone now, so the heat gun method definitely does the trick. The other method I read on the internet was just using a hot iron with the steam off, putting a tea towel over the stained surface and just using the heat of the iron. I haven't tried that yet, but very happy with the result of the heat gun. Okay, well that's the end of this video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.